Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Chad. So let's get started. So I will just go ahead here, okay, and I will directly in the Google I will directly search for top list here, okay, of Chad. So here I can see, so the first bank is our Central Bank of African States, then we have the Eco Bank, then we have Banku Arab de Solodono than other banks. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your Bank of Central African States. So I will just go there, okay, and from here I will let you their website. So here their websites are. So to open a business bank account in your Chad or Chad country, you have to visit your nearest branch because they does not provide online facility. So you can just go to your nearest branch and you can able to open. So opening a business account will be require basic details, like you should be 18 years above or minimum 18 years old, and you should have a valid identity card at the country in the country, and you should be in like the citizen, and other things will be required. So by this detail you can directly open a business bank account there, okay. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.